don't give me that bullshit, no? Alam mo, hindi makatotohanan yung sinasabi mo eh. Time na ikaw po ang commissioner. Have you encountered this problem? This huge problem of our country? Malaking problema natin yung mga nawawalang containers. At a while ago, I was talking to the chairman and we are talking about the name of that boxes that were found in Dumoy that came from Cagayan de Oro, doon mismo sa port. Nakapasok. Dahil ang X-ray, nasa labas. At pag-aari ng isang private corporation na Golden Sun. And that's the reason why, Commissioner Nick Baldon, do you know about this issue? About the designated examination area wherein a private corporation sa pangalan ng Golden Sun Cargo Examination Services Corporation owns the X-ray na ginagamit doon po sa mga containers na lumalabas galing sa custom. Do you know about this?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, in Mindanao, there are two cases of similarly situated. One in Davao and one in Cagayan de Oro. During my time, I vehemently questioned why X-rays were conducted outside the customs property. In fact, in Davao, it's across the street. And Davao was at that time under litigation because there's an issue of whether or not the X-ray has to be conducted in that private property. So that cases was dragged until I think what's finally the custom won that the X-ray to be conducted in that private property will be stopped. As far as that Cagayan de Oro is concerned, I know about it. I asked our legal department why that one was approved in 2012, because when I assume it's already there, contracts were already signed, and I think it's not the commissioner who signed it. I think it's higher authority who signed the contract. So I tried to ask our legal to...
Who is the highest authority in here, Mr. Baldon?
I am not sure whether it's just the commissioner who signed it, but definitely it's...
Who was the commissioner who signed it?
2012, sir. So
yes,
that's I assume in 2016.
But during your time that you were already the commissioner, you have the power to cancel the contract because it is a sovereign function. Eh. Meaning, ang X-ray sa isang designated examination area, ang nag-handle niyan is government. It should not be private corporation. Di ba? Isipin mo, private corporation mag-handle ng mga imported goods na nanggagaling sa ibang bansa. At kung gano'n ang sitwasyon natin, talagang makakapasok yung mga illegal drugs. Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Commissioner Baldon, sino ang may-ari ng Golden Sun Cargo Examination Services Corporation?
Sir, before I answer that, I would like to further express
Commissioner, you answer me first.
I am not aware of the name.
A while ago, you were telling us that you made an investigation on this matter. So if you have done some investigation on this matter, surely you know who to investigate. Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, sino ang may-ari ng Golden Sun Cargo Examination Services Corporation?
I don't remember the name at that time, but this is the problem of the X-ray, sir. It's not only the areas where the X-rays are conducted.
Excuse me, malalayo tayo. Hindi mo kilala si Mr. Dennis Uy?
In 2016, I assume it. I know
kilala mo si Dennis Uy. And
yes,
you know
Your
that
Honor.
they own this company.
I wasn't briefed about the ownership. By the investigation I asked to be conducted, Your Honor.
Sir, we have to remind you, both of you, that you are under oath, no? Napakalaki po ng kumpanyang to. At kayo po ang namamahala ng mga imported goods na dumadaan sa ating mga ports sa buong bansa. At itong port na to sa Tagaloan, ang X-ray, nasa labas ng custom at hinahawakan ng isang pribadong kumpanya, which is against the sovereign function of putting this X-ray in the hands of the government. Kaya pala tayo napapasukan na maraming droga Dahil you allowed the X-ray to be operated by a private company owned by the Davao Group. Andito, sa SEC, kung sino man mga ari, Noel B. Taoho, isang politician sa Davao City. Cherilyn Uy, Davao City. Ramon Edison Batacan, Davao City. Socorro Agreso, Davao City. They owned this private corporation that operated this designated examination area outside the premises of the government. Mr. Chairman, don't you think it's problematic that you did not do something when you were the commissioner of the custom? Pareho kayo, both of you. Tell me. Sige, Commissioner Paldon.
I tried, Mr. Chair, but I seen a bigger problem than that. If I may be given a...
Sure, surely. Go ahead.
Not just the examination area is problematic. I find it also problematic that the contract of the X-ray entered into between the Philippine government and a Chinese supplier. It is the Chinese supplier who maintains the X-ray machines. So pag nasira, it is the Chinese supplier who repairs it and everything. So it makes it very impossible for customs to really...
Mr. Paldon, we're just talking about an X-ray.
Yes, sir. I'm talking about this X-ray.
That will pass through the private property or the private corporation. Don't give me that bullshit, no? Alam mo, hindi makatotohanan yung sinasabi mo What I'm trying to point out here, Mr. Chairman, is that you allowed a private corporation to manage a sovereign function that belongs exclusively to the government. And yung ginawa po ninyo is dereliction of your duty, that you have taken your oath to protect the interests of the government. And what is the interest of the government? Di ba? Na malaman natin kung ano yung mga pumapasok sa ating teritoryo. Paano natin malalaman ang pumapasok sa ating teritoryo na kung ang X-ray natin ay being managed outside the custom? Yun ang sinasabi ko, Mr. Rafael doon. Di ba? Sana po, you have done something. Did you tell this to the president during that time? Sinabi niyo po ba na may problema yung ating X-ray na naandun sa labas ng custom? At lahat ng ating mga container, dun dadaan, paglabas ng custom, saka mo pa lamang siya i-X-ray? It doesn't make sense, Mr. Paldon, Commissioner La Peña. Would you agree with me? Would you agree with me that it doesn't make sense?
Yes, Mr. Chair. In fact, I said that I made a study of the operations of customs on the outset. And then one of those that I saw is the improvement of or the operation of the X-ray.